DJI MAVIC Air 2. I have been playing with MAVIC Air 2 for 1 month now. It has been a very satisfying journey. And I have decided that MAVIC Air 2 is now my main drone, and I will not be buying any other drone for a long while. Here is why. First, the camera quality. All the footage that you will see in this video is straight from MAVIC Air 2 with 0 color grade. I enjoy the color science of DJI, and 4K resolution certainly looked better than already very good 2.7K resolution seen in MAVIC Mini. With 4K resolution still catching up to our daily lives in TV monitors, mobile phone display, I think 4K resolution will be here for a while. So there is no need to upgrade a drone that goes to higher resolution than MAVIC Air 2 for my hobbyist purpose. Unlike other DJI consumer level drones, MAVIC Air 2's camera comes with 4K 60 frames per second, which means I can enjoy the half-speed slow motion in fields of flowers like this. Although most other times I'll fly at 4K 30 frames per second and accompanied by sports mode in order to get the faster shot in a wider landscape. With camera, I absolutely love the wide-angle panorama and sphere panorama shots, where the stitching have really improved from MAVIC Air 1. 48 megapixel photo is nice, although my eyes did not see a huge difference with a normal 12 megapixel photo. HDR videos may be handy in an environment with a big contrast such as sunset. With MAVIC Air 2, there are enough new features that give a lot of comfort in flying. Flying a drone is usually an exhilarating exercise full of adrenaline, so you want all the comfort you get. So having OcuSync 2.0 means that the flight is a more relaxing exercise than what I had experienced with MAVIC Mini and MAVIC Air 1, which only have an enhanced Wi-Fi video transmission that may not be very stable, especially in urban area. But with MAVIC Air 2, in the past 1 month, I could fly further without any interruption in signal, unless the drone has completely gone over to the other side. In that case, the return to home function is very reliable. Also, I have not once experienced a strong wind signal with MAVIC Air 2. As you know, I have done enough comparison tests against Mini and Air 1, and those drones have shown me the strong wind signal out in the ocean. The final point about how comfortable and relaxing it is to fly MAVIC Air 2, the battery gives a solid 27 to about 28 minute flight time. It gives just enough time to get a decent hyperlapse in one battery. If I'm just taking videos, I can get 2 flights with 1 battery. Since I own 2 batteries, I can enjoy up to 4 flights, which give me plenty of interesting video to work with. But I would recommend purchasing Fly Mode Combo to any of you who are considering to purchase. And if you could use my affiliate link for DJI.com, it will be highly appreciated. The biggest fun of flying a drone is the actual act of manually controlling the drone, rather than relying on technology such as quick shots, tracking, or hyperlapse, which MAVIC Air 2 include. Having some good solid spring in the joystick gives a huge pleasure in controlling the drone. Just think of Mercedes E-Class versus Nissan Versa. Just saying. I certainly could feel the difference between MAVIC Mini RC joystick and MAVIC Air 2 joystick. But with joysticks, you do get used to it and master the move, even if the springs are not very good. In terms of portability, MAVIC Air 2, being DJI's standard foldable design, it is portable. It gets packed neatly inside the bag, very easy to carry. Hyperlapse is a very interesting option to capture the passing of time. Right now, only 1080p and 8K are available, but 4K hyperlapse option is set to be added in near future. So all in all, MAVIC Air 2 boasts overall solid DJI quality with a price tag that is not unaffordable. So do I have any complaints on MAVIC Air 2? Yes, just 2 I can think of. The first complaint is that the slow motion of 120 frames per second and 240 frames per second at 1080p resolution are horrible. I'm not sure what you can see on your mobile screen, but look at the color difference in the flowers. In my 4K laptop monitor, I'm quite shocked by the gap in the quality of color and resolution. I don't think I'll use the slow motion function in Mavic Air 2. The second and the last complaint is the packaging. Not just on Mavic Air 2 but on all Mavic series. DJI drones are not cheap. It would be helpful to have a small bag or a case that holds the drone together as to protect the propellers that tend to move freely. For other drones such as Mavic Air Fly Mode Combo and even Parrot and Nafi, you get a nice protective case to wrap and protect the drone, but not in Mavic Mini, Mavic 2 series and Mavic Air 2. I see in my affiliate link, some of you kind viewers have purchased $10 Mavic Air 2 sleeve. I think this should have been inside at least Fly Mode Combo package, where we are paying around 1000 USD for the box. In order to protect the propellers, I got PGY text propeller holders for Mavic Air 2. So for a few years to come, I'll keep Mavic Air 2 as my main drone and Mavic Mini as a backup drone, especially when I would one day travel to those countries with 250-gram restriction. Well, when the global situation calms down, hopefully soon. So I hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're considering getting Mavic Air 2. Please don't forget to check out other videos in my playlist, they should be helpful as well. So thank you and see you!